Learn Gujarati fast. I see the man, I take the bus, and more in
Gujarati.
Welcome to your tiny Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn 5 super useful Gujarati phrases without falling asleep on your imaginary textbook. We will keep it fun, simple, and just weird enough to stick in your memory. Picture this. You step out into a busy morning, full of confidence, mild confusion, and a heroic need for caffeine. Today your mission is to say 5 real-life phrases in
Gujarati.
By the end, you will be able to say,
હું માણસને જોઉં છું. હું બસ લઉં છું. મને એક કોફી જોઈએ. હું નાસ્તો ખરીદું છું.
and
હું પ્રવેશદ્વાર શોધું છું.
not bad. You are basically one coffee away from becoming dramatic and multilingual. Scene 1. A very suspiciously normal morning. Let's start with the first phrase in a mini-story. Listen, picture it, and say it with me. You look out the window. A person is standing near the road, doing absolutely nothing dramatic, which somehow makes it more dramatic. You say,
હું માણસને જોઉં છું.
That means, I see the man. Try the key word.
માણસ.
Means man or person. And
જોઉં છું.
means I see. Now say the full line again.
હું માણસને જોઉં છું.
Excellent. You are now officially able to notice a human being in Gujarati. Civilization is safe. Scene 2. The bus of destiny. Now the story continues, because standing by the window all day is not a transport plan. Let's get moving. You leave home and head to work, school, or a mysterious appointment that definitely does not involve chasing pigeons. At the stop, you say,
હું બસ લઉં છું.
I take the bus. Nice and practical.
બસ.
Is bus. Conveniently, bus is basically bus. Languages love a shortcut sometimes. Repeat it slowly.
હું બસ લઉં છું.
Again, with confidence.
હું બસ લઉં છું.
Perfect. If anyone asks how you travel, you are ready. If nobody asks, you can still whisper it proudly to yourself like a commuting poet. Scene 3. Coffee, because language learning is hard work. You have seen a man and taken a bus. Frankly, you deserve coffee. You walk into a cafe, trying to look calm, educated, and not like someone who mentally rehearsed this sentence 12 times outside the door. Then you say,
મને એક કોફી જોઈએ.
I would like a coffee. Break it down a little.
એક.
Means one, and
કોફી.
is coffee. Beautiful, honest, necessary. Say it again.
મને એક કોફી જોઈએ.
One more time, now with the energy of a person who has not yet had the coffee but believes in the future.
મને એક કોફી જોઈએ.
Scene 4. Snack emergency. Coffee alone is brave, but maybe too brave. Let's fix the hunger situation. At the station kiosk, your stomach makes a sound like a tiny angry drum solo. You look at the snacks and say,
હું નાસ્તો ખરીદું છું.
I buy a snack.
નાસ્તો.
Is snack and
ખરીદું છું.
means I buy. Repeat the full phrase.
હું નાસ્તો ખરીદું છું.
Again.
હું નાસ્તો ખરીદું છું.
Wonderful. You are now linguistically prepared for mild hunger, which is honestly one of the most useful life skills. Scene 5. The entrance that hid for no reason. Now you arrive at a building. Of course the entrance is not where you expected, because buildings enjoy games. You walk left. No entrance. You walk right. Still no entrance. You check the sign, the map, your soul. Then suddenly, success. You say,
હું પ્રવેશદ્વાર શોધું છું.
I find the entrance. The big useful word here is
પ્રવેશદ્વાર.
meaning entrance. Say the whole phrase slowly.
હું પ્રવેશદ્વાર શોધું છું.
Again, like a victorious explorer who has conquered a shopping mall.
હું પ્રવેશદ્વાર શોધું છું.
Quick review drill. Now let's do a fast and fun recap. I say it in English, and you try the Gujarati before I give the answer. I see the man.
હું માણસને જોઉં છું.
I take the bus.
હું બસ લઉં છું.
I would like a coffee.
મને એક કોફી જોઈએ.
I buy a snack.
હું નાસ્તો ખરીદું છું.
I find the entrance.
હું પ્રવેશદ્વાર શોધું છું.
Mini dialogue in the wild. Let's put everything together in one playful conversation. Just listen and enjoy the flow. A. What do you see outside? B.
હું માણસને જોઉં છું.
A. How are you getting there? B.
હું બસ લઉં છું.
A. You look sleepy. B. Yes.
મને એક કોફી જોઈએ.
A. And maybe some food? B. Exactly.
હું નાસ્તો ખરીદું છું.
A. Great. Are you lost now? B. Not anymore.
હું પ્રવેશદ્વાર શોધું છું.
A. Amazing. You survived the day. B. Barely, but bilingually. Friendly conclusion. You did it. 5 useful Gujarati phrases, 1 tiny adventure, and hopefully at least 1 smile. Today you practiced real everyday Gujarati.
હું માણસને જોઉં છું. હું બસ લઉં છું. મને એક કોફી જોઈએ. હું નાસ્તો ખરીદું છું.
And
હું પ્રવેશદ્વાર શોધું છું.
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your memory do the rest. You are doing great, and your Gujarati is already growing 1 phrase at a time.